Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let us see the next contents of Java in this video. Next, the next concept we have is multi-level inheritance. As you can see here in the multi-level inheritance, we have two levels of inheritance. The one is the parent class, and there are two subclasses. One is car, and the other subclass that we have here is electric car. So from this vehicle class, the car subclass is being extended, and from this car subclass, electric car subclass is being inherited. In the same way, here we have animal parent class. From this animal parent class, the dog parent class is inherited, and from the dog, another subclass that is the baby dog class is being inherited. So let us see some examples of this. As we have here the first animal class, that is the parent class. Here you have a one method which is system.out, and it is eating. Then from this animal parent class, a one subclass that is a dog is being extended, and this dog class also has one method that is bark. Again, from this dog class, as you see here, one more class is being extended, that is the baby dog, and from this baby dog we have a one method for this as well, that is weep. So here you have one system.out. Now here when we are going to create the class of baby dog with the help of the constructor, you can extend the dog class method and also the animal class method from the baby dog class, because we are extending it from the parent. So this is called as a multi-level inheritance. You can see here the eat method is also being inherited from the supermost class, that is the animal class. So now this is called as multi-level inheritance. You have one level and two levels of inheritance. Now let us see this example in Eclipse. System.out animal is eating. Save the source control here. Another class with the name dog. Dog extends animal. Now here we have a one more method, that is bark. Sys.out. The dog is barking. Save this as well. Go back to the source control here. Class. I have another method, that is baby dog, and this baby dog, this is going to extend the dog. Extends the dog class, and this will have one void weep. The dog is weeping. Save this. Here itself I'm gonna create my main method. Main, just gonna create baby dog b is equals to new dog. Next, b dot weep. Now b dot, as you can say, bark, and b dot. All methods which are there in the supermost classes all can be inherited in the child class here. Let's run this program. Okay, as we see here, the dog is weeping, the dog is barking, the animal is eating. All the three system.out.println statements are being printed by one super child, the final class, that is the baby dog class. So in this way you can create a multi-level inheritance. This is all for today's video. For the next videos, stay tuned. Bye bye.